Guys, welcome to a new video of Tech Wars. Hope you're keeping well, and let's roll the intro. Right guys, so this video today I'm going to be showing you on how to replace the battery, which is a CR2032 in the Samsung SmartTag. All you're going to need is pry tool and something to help lever it with for a bit more sturdiness, because that will probably snap in about 2 minutes. All you're going to need is your 2032 battery, which I picked up from Halfords in the UK. You might be able to pick one up from your local automotive store, or maybe a corner shop or something, or wherever you can get one from. Even Amazon, they'll sell them. You'll probably end up with like a pack of 10 or something, but for this purpose I only need the one battery. So I'll show you how to open up the Samsung SmartTag. So Samsung SmartTag, you've got a little opening just there at the bottom. All you want to do is put your power tool in there, wiggle it about a bit to try and open it. If not, you can always use a flathead screwdriver. So yeah, just bobbed it open in there. Then you want to work your way around it. And it should just pop off. There's your battery. You want to take that out. Which I'm trying to you just need something to go in that little hole there. Like set tweezers, something that should do. So you just want to go in there, take battery out. Don't forget to try and hold the battery by the sides only. Get your new one, bob it in. And jobs are good. And just get your cover, pop it back together. It's all finished. Job done. Jobs are good. So you guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you found it helpful or anything, make sure you give it a like rating, drop a comment down below, feel free to subscribe. Any support, much appreciated, and I will see you in the next video.